learning how to back up your iPhone on the macOS Catalina and how to do screen recording in macOS Catalina. So let's start with the first step, how to take backup of iPhone on macOS Catalina. So the first step is that we need to go to a Mac desktop. Most of the Mac has the dock on the bottom, but I have just repositioned it on the right hand side. And now, as on the corner right, on the top you can see the Finder option. Just have to click the Finder. And after that, we need to connect the iPhone to the Mac using the lightning cable. I'm using an iPhone SE. So I've just connected the phone to the Mac using the lightning cable. And after that, we just need to go to our Mac desktop, and on the left hand side marked with a circle, you can have a look. It has detected my iPhone SE right there. I've shown it with the arrow as well. So now your iPhone has been detected on the Mac. And after this, on middle of your Mac desktop screen, you will find Trust iPhone SE option. Then you just have to click the Trust option right there, shown with the arrow. And after clicking Trust on your iPhone, on the other side you will get a pop-up window indicating Trust and Don't Trust option. You can have a look on the slide. Just need to press the Trust option. And then after clicking the Trust option, you'll get a pop-up of entering your passcode option on your phone. So you just need to enter your passcode option so that it is fully accessible in the Finder window. Now we have connected our iPhone. This is the iPhone. On the other side, our phone has been detected on the Finder. Now we can have a look that there's a backup option right in the middle of the Mac desktop. So you just have to click the backup all the data on your iPhone to this Mac marked with a red arrow. And after checking that option, we just need to click the backup now option on the corner right. But before clicking the backup option, there's an option encrypt local backup. So we need to check this encrypt local backup because this encryption helps us to protect our safe passwords, health data, browsing history and Wi-Fi settings. And now on the desktop you can see that there's a pop-up window showing password and verify password option. That means we need to create an encryption password in order to encrypt the backup. And I will suggest you to jot down this password somewhere, because this password is required when we will restore the backup. So the backup cannot be restored until and unless you don't have this password. And there you can see, remember this password in my keychain. Do check this option because this helps you to save this password on the iCloud keychain, so you can recover the password in case you forgot. And now you can click the set password option right there. Now on your Mac desktop, on the left hand side you can see iPhone SE with both side curved arrows. It's showing that your iPhone is now being backed up on your Mac. You can have a look on the red arrow as well. Phone being backed up. So you have to wait until your backup completes. So now on the desktop you can see the two options circled with red: manage backups and restore backups. Manage backup helps to see that when was the phone backed up on the Mac, at what time and which day. It also helps to delete the backed up data on our Mac. On the other side, restore backup helps to restore the backed up data on your iPhone. So guys, hope this video will help you to take backup on your Mac. And guys, now we will be learning how to do screen recording in the macOS Catalina. So guys, now we'll learn to record the screen using the inbuilt screen recorder. So the first step we need to perform is that we simply need to press the Command, Shift and 5 button on the keyboard. And after that you can see there's a bar appearing right there at the bottom of your screen. First icon is to capture the entire screen. Second is to capture the selected window. Third is to capture the selected portion. You can select the portion to be recorded like this, and this is for recording the entire screen, and this is to record the selected portion from the screen. And right there is the option button from which you can select the location where you have to save the screen recording. Then you have the timer option, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, after what time you want to start the recording. And you have the built-in microphone selection option. Then you have below option, remember last selection, and show mouse clicks. So now after selecting all options, I am going to select the record entire screen and tap the record button. And on the top you can see a sign that means the recording is on. So now in this recording I am going to change my desktop wallpaper, and now I will choose the wallpaper which I have to put on my desktop. So I'll just choose this wallpaper. Now this is my wallpaper on my desktop, and here we will stop the recording, and it is saved on the right hand side on the desktop because I've chosen the desktop as my location. Now I'll play it, and now you can see that the screen recording is going on the desktop right here. So this is very simple guys to record the screen on your macOS Catalina. Thanks for watching.